something, you can type in grades, and you'll see that there are 21 references to grades, and the first one is the link that takes you exactly to the list that gives you all the answers. And it asks for very specific things like the total column in the grade book. It'll talk to you, it'll tell you that, and it shows you images. Use this. It is user-friendly, and it's very extensive. Any question you'll have, you're going to find it here. So don't feel like you're alone, even if you don't find what you're looking for in the Canvas guides. Feel free to call us or make an appointment with us. We're happy to show you something. You know, it's sometimes finding the right tool in all of this mass of tools can be very challenging, and we understand that. So come in and get help if you need it. So that's pretty much the end of my presentation. I'm glad that you guys could come, and I will email you all of these papers, these documents. One of them is, actually maybe I can show you since we have a little time. One of, let's see, something called statuses. Do you see these colors here? This indicates that these were late grades, and this one is excused, as you can see. So this is called a status, and statuses can be changed. You can change the color by going to these little 3 dots and changing the color to what you want, and then you would press apply, and it would change the color. You'll see over here that the status colors correlate, and so you can indicate. It'll tell you what is late and what is missing and what is excused and everything. So those are some nice little things. If you ever wonder how to get somewhere, you move your mouse and hover over things because they'll appear. You might find that if you've just been poking around and moving your mouse all over the place, something appears that you can then use. So if you're tearing your hair out, you can't figure something out, move your mouse around over the screen and you'll find things that pop up. Okay.
Karen, this is Heather. Hi. I just wanted to clarify that anything added to assignments is going to show up in your gradebook. Is that true?
Yes. Like if you add an assignment, is that what you're asking?
Right. So 2 things. One, when I started this semester, it seemed like Canvas automatically had things under assignment, like tools for students to maybe how to take a quiz, or there were just different things on there that I didn't put on there. And so they're in my gradebook. Obviously, they don't count for anything, but they're just present there.
Yes. So if you don't publish that, the students will not see it. And that would be under modules. I believe it's in my class as well, right here, my mini module on how to use Canvas. It's not published, so the students don't see it. If you don't want it, you just unpublish it and keep it at the bottom. We included this so that the students would understand how to use Canvas as a resource.
Right, so what if you want the students to be able to access it, but you don't want it in your gradebook?
Good question. You would put no submission, or you would go into the assignment, edit. I think this is a page, isn't it? Yeah, this is a page. So you would just, I think, say no submission. Let's go back and find out. Let's see if there's down here. Is that? Yeah. So this is an assignment. No, this is a page. These are pages. This is a discussion, and these are pages. So pages don't show up in your gradebook. Only assignments do. And you see this is assignment with a little pencil. That indicates that this is an assignment. So none of these will show up in your gradebook. I don't think even the discussion will. And if it does, just go in, edit. Yeah, I don't think there's even a submission for this. So your discussion won't appear in the gradebook either, unless it's an assignment.
Okay, and then sort of addition to that, if you have an assignment that's a reading assignment, but it doesn't, and you're just trying to add the file or the link, would you suggest maybe don't put that under assignments because then it'll show up in your gradebook? Or again, you would write no submission?
Karen,
You could do no submission.
if you go into an assignment, like look at one.
Yeah, that's what it's. Okay, let's do one that's representation. Okay, let's do this.
No, do
Oh,
one
no,
that
sorry,
you-
an assignment.
That's
I meant.
okay.
All right, we'll do, these are relays, so let's do.
Let's do that one, the last one.
Okay.
I don't think I did assignment settings. It doesn't matter if it's a relay. Scroll down a little. Heather, see that box that says do not count the assignment towards the final grade?
Yes.
That's the one you want. Or under display grade as, Karen, you can put on that, you can do not grade it.
Okay.
So.
And a column still won't show up on your gradebook for that?
Not graded is the one that will not give you a column.
Okay.
So those were all of my points that I wanted you to see. So thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to email us or come in. We're happy to help. And if you come up with a question later on, feel free to email me. Okay.
Thank you, Karen.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you for having it on Zoom because I'm in Massachusetts and the weather is horrible over here. So.
Oh, yeah. Well, Zoom is a great program. We're always happy to include our presentations on Zoom. All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.